Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. Today we are going to make cream cheese frosting. It's very easy to prepare and so delicious, so let's get started. In a big mixing bowl you are going to add your butter, which needs to be at room temperature so it will be easier to cream, and cream cheese. You're going to mix this using a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is nice and fluffy. Now you're going to add in your vanilla extract and icing sugar. Mix this until everything is well incorporated. When everything is well incorporated, you're going to give it a last mix for about 3 minutes until your cream is nice and fluffy. Our cream cheese frosting is now ready, and you can decorate lots of desserts using this. Thank you for watching guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.